Stop typing, start scaling. If you are a physician working in telemedicine, I'm going to say something blunt. You are massively overqualified for how much time you are spending typing. You trained for years, you built clinical judgment, you can diagnose in seconds what others miss in minutes, and yet you are rewriting the same documentation, re-explaining the same medication counseling, retyping the same follow-up instructions over and over and over. That is not medicine. That is duplication. And duplication destroys productivity, income, and freedom. Today, I'm going to show you how to dramatically accelerate your documentation speed without cutting corners and without compromising care. Here's what most telemedicine physicians do not realize. Your day is predictable. The complaints are predictable. The medication counseling is predictable. The risk documentation is predictable. The follow-up language is predictable. But because you do not capture that predictability, you recreate it from scratch every single day. That is where your time is leaking, not because you are inefficient, but because you do not have a system. Here is the 3-step framework. Step 1, run a time audit. For one full clinical day, track what you type repeatedly. Track what questions you answer repeatedly. Track what instructions you rewrite repeatedly. Track what documentation structures you rebuild repeatedly. You will see patterns within hours. Most clinicians discover that nearly half of what they type is recycled thought, but they have never captured it. You cannot optimize what you have not measured. Step 2, capture and refine your best responses, not generic ones, your best ones. The way you explain testosterone therapy risks, the way you review SSRI side effects, the way you counsel on blood pressure monitoring, the way you explain GLP-1 treatment, the way you outline follow-up timelines, the way you give lifestyle recommendations. Refine them once, make them clear, make them defensible, make them legally sound, and make them human. Then structure them so they can be customized in seconds. Now, instead of typing 200 words, you edit 15. That is where exponential speed begins. Step 3, create a naming system. This is where most physicians fail. If you cannot remember it, you will not use it. Create short, memorable shortcut codes. For example, HTN-FU, TRT-risk, SSRI-SE, GLP-1-start. Use whatever naming structure works for your brain. The goal is frictionless retrieval. When the system becomes easier than typing from scratch, you win. When implemented properly, everything changes. You chart faster. You reduce cognitive load. You reduce after-hours spillover. You increase patient capacity without burnout. You regain margin in your day. Margin equals freedom. Freedom equals leverage. If you are serious about increasing productivity, reducing duplication, and building a scalable telemedicine workflow, click the link below. This is for physicians who want to work smarter, not faster. Stop typing your life away. Build systems and practice medicine at the level you were trained to.